So here is the practice one for arithmetic sequence. So consider that there is a number 8, 3, 18, and 23, and so on. So first, we need to show that the sequence is arithmetic. Arithmetic has a common difference, so we can just prove that the difference is always the same. So the second term was 13 and the first term was 8. So the difference is 5. And we continue 18 minus 13, 23 minus 18, and 28 minus 23. The difference is always constant, in which is t equals to 5. So we can say that the sequence is arithmetic with the first unit is 8 and the difference is 5. Question B, find the formula of its general term. So it's basically what is the un equals to. So we can just write first what we have in the formula book, in which un equals to u1 plus n minus 1 in bracket multiplied by d. We use the u1 is 8 and d is 5 into that. So we substitute and we will get this value. And we can just process that. So we need to expand the bracket, become 5n and minus 5. And now we can just simplify that the un is 3 plus 5n. That's the generic formula. The third question is we find the 42nd term. So because we have the generic formula for the term, we can substitute n with 42, in which we can do u42 equals 3 plus 5 multiplied by 42. And using GDC, we get the answer is 213. Now, question D, we need to determine whether each number is a member of this sequence. So is 153 is going to happen here? Is 4067 going to happen also over here? We should check whether the un will be equal to 153 first. We can substitute the generic formula and we solve. We balance with minus 3, and after that we balance with dividing by 5, in which we will get n is 30, which is it's an integer. So then it means that 153 is the 30th term of the sequence. So we can do the same thing for 4067, in which we put the equality sign, we balance with minus 3, and then we divide with 5, and we will get that the n is not an integer. 812.8 term, in which it's not possible. So we say that the 4067 is not a member of the sequence. If you have any math questions, just comment down below or go to my profile.